In this video, I'm going to show you how to record calls on iPhone iOS 18. So, step 1 to do this is to update your iOS to 18.1 beta. Now, as I said before, using the call recording feature, you must ensure your iPhone is running iOS 18.1 beta or later, okay? Now, to check and install the latest beta version, you want to go to Settings, click General, and then click Software Update, and then in there, you can install the iOS 18.1 beta if it's available. As you can see, it looks something like this over here on the screen, and if you can start updating it, it will display this message. Now, what I want to say before this is that the call recording feature is currently only supported on iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. So if you're using these devices, you'll probably be able to get it. However, if you're not, you most likely will have to wait a little bit more. Now, to get this recording feature, you will have to first start a call, so open the phone app to either make or receive a call. Now, this will work both with regular calls and FaceTime calls, even if you are getting the call and not the one who's calling. Now, then you'll get the access to the record button, because during the call, a record button will appear on the screen. You simply have to tap it to start recording. Now, once you press the record button, an automatic voice alert will notify both parties, and by that I mean you and the one you're calling, or you and the one who's calling you, and that notification will be that the call is being recorded. Now, this alert cannot be disabled. It's impossible to disable it, which ensures everyone in the call is aware of the recording and that the call and their audio or video is being recorded. Now, the person you're talking with, again, will hear the voice message and that the start of the call is being recorded, regardless of whether they're using iOS 18.1 or not. So they can use a much older iPhone, they will still hear this message regardless, okay? So keep that in mind. If they do not wish to be recorded after they hear this, they can simply choose to hang up the call, and that's it. That's how they cancel it. Now, when we talk about managing the call recording, while recording, a waveform icon just like this over here will display on the screen, which will show the recording time. As you can see, here's a screenshot. Now you can stop the recording manually at any point, or it will automatically stop when the call ends or is cancelled, okay? So when you press this button, this red kind of square button, the usual stop button, the recording will stop. Now, once the call ends or you stop it, the recording will be saved automatically in the Notes app. You can access it there to play, share, or manage your recordings. Now, they've also added in a feature where you can transcribe it if it's in English. So, in case you have an English recording, you'll be able to transcribe it and hear and basically be able to read out and get the text of what was being said in the recording. So, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.